This Christmas gives me a chance to pause and reflect on my first year as leader of the Scottish Conservatives. In that time, I've been travelling across Scotland, meeting hardworking people who tell me about their hopes for the future. I've been working alongside our MSPs, MPs, councillors and activists. Their energy and drive gives me confidence as we focus on rebuilding our party and standing up for our common sense Conservative values. Christmas is a time to slow down and to enjoy being with loved ones. It's also a time to say thank you to those who keep going when the rest of us stop. To our NHS workers, police officers, firefighters, and our armed forces at home and abroad. To those who keep us fed and those who get us safely to our destination, and to those who deliver heat and light to our homes. So from all of us at the Scottish Conservatives, I'd like to wish you a very Merry Christmas.